Hi guys, today we're making braised pork belly. First boil pork. Boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off heat and cool. Now cut pork belly into cubes. After cutting, the pork should look like this. Add oil. To give the oil some fragrance, add ginger and garlic. 4 cloves of garlic. 3 slices of ginger. And mix. Now sear pork. Cooking time 3 minutes. First add liquid ingredients. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of pork broth. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. 1/4 cup of SHAOXING wine. Now add dry ingredients. 1/3 cup of rock hard sugar. Dry cinnamon. 3 star anise. 2 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. Garlic and ginger. And mix. Cooking time 40 minutes. The pork should look like this. And garnish with green onions. Jasmine white rice. So we have our vegetables, our pork, and our rice.